Connecting the portable charger to your Octoro wearable oversized heated blanket is a snap. This is the power cord, this is the charger, this is the cable. Here is the very unique silicone controller. Here's the port that the cable goes into. The port is connected right below the controller. It takes 2.5 hours to fully charge the battery. You plug one in into the charger. The other end goes into the wearable blanket, into the port. And you'll notice that flashed. You then press and hold the controller until the light comes on. And it comes on red. The red light is the highest temperature setting. On the highest temperature setting, it runs for 3 to 4 hours. Push it again, and it goes to the medium temperature. On the medium temperature, the battery runs for 5 to 6 hours. Press it again, and it goes to green. Green is the low temperature, which is about 95 to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. On this temperature, you have about 7 to 8 hours of nice, warm, comfortable heat at a temperature of about 122 degrees Fahrenheit. After about 2 hours of use, the blanket automatically shuts down. This is a safety feature that's built into your wonderful, wearable, oversized heated blanket. I think you will love your Octoro oversized wearable heated blanket.